My dull knife is back. Whoop whoop. Oh, this comes from JetPens. And it comes with cartoons. Stationery addiction. Hilarious. What's in here? We'll start with the largest item. Maybe the item on the side. Can you read that? 15 centimeter ruler. See-through. It's clear. It's not quite teal. It is blue. Paco Tray. It lays flat and holds stuff like pens and stuff. And comes with dangerous do not eat snacks. What is this? It's erasable stamps, scissors for haircut, and an airplane. If you're one of those bullet journal people or just a planner type, you can put this stamp in your calendar. It's that Pilot Frixion ink, which is erasable. Same thing if you're traveling, your flight moves. This goes to a legendary tool that will fall out of your pocket. The Fisher Bullet Space Pen. It supposedly will write in space or upside down even. And this is like $3, $3.50 for this little clip. So hopefully this thing doesn't fall out of your pocket. On to the next thing. We finally have a Teal tool. Uniball Signo DX. Also known as UM151. 0.38, can't see it. Bad angle, bad lighting. It's a bad unboxing. We got these in teal and green black, or black green, something like that. Teal tool guide, we've got Teal tools. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more bad unboxings.